For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm gonna share with you guys this awesome cushion from Tillard. This is a cushion that has 10 fans inside so that it keeps you cool during the heat. You can see me sweating right now, it's so hot here. It was 100 degrees earlier today, so I'm kind of waiting till it cools down, and it's just gonna be super hot here in Southern California. If you guys are looking for something that'll cool you off, this car seat cover has 10 fans built into it that will cool you off while driving, while inside your car. Check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Cameras to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and video and make YouTube content, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So this awesome seat cover from Tillard, okay? This is new. I've never heard of this before. It's a seat cover that goes on top over your seat, and you plug it to your cigarette lighter and it's going to turn on the fan automatically when you put pressure on it, when you sit on it. It turns on. But when you leave, it's off. And that's pretty cool. So that means that you don't actually have to keep turning it off with this on button and then to go. You could just leave it on if you know you're gonna be living in this hot temperature for a while. Don't even think twice about it. Leave it on and go. How cool is that, right? Because your steering wheel has a heater when it's cold, but there's really nothing to give you an extra coolness except for the air vent when it's too hot. So now your back wouldn't be as sweaty when you're driving long distance, right? So even though the air vent might be good, your back might still be very sweaty because all that pressure that you're putting on your back and your bottom. So this seat cover is gonna relieve that, and I desperately need it so badly to help fight the heat. So I'm gonna install it, which is an easy installation. Just slip on top of it, slip on top of your car seat, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, and then just plug it in and you're good to go. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, how it looks, and then how it really feels. And if you guys do like it, I will of course put the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much. Okay, I'm sweating like crazy right now. This is ridiculous, it's too hot. All right, check this out. Also real quick guys, I do have my Tesla Model 3 t-shirt. I know it's kind of sweaty looking right now, but it fits really nicely, and it's my design. And if you do buy from me, well, I'm gonna appreciate you so much for supporting me. So thank you for that. Link below if you're interested in my Tesla t-shirts. Make sure that plug is up there. And look at that. It comes with this little cigarette lighter, comes with two USB-A plugs. Put the headrest through the little hole. That black part will tuck in underneath the headrest. So that way you don't see the little black turtleneck. And just tuck it in the back. Man, I like this. See how I have the back seat covers? I do miss having this plastic thing because my boy will kick it like crazy. And you know what accessory I've seen? I've seen a little tray back here that you could pull down the computer. This round piece right here, it's gonna slide into the bottom of the seat, and then it's gonna rest flat. And then boom, it just stays right there. And then the front side is a hook. So you just find a little spot on the bottom and you could hook it in so it stays in place and the rest is tucked in. Tuck that in. Good. And then you just bring the seat down. Tesla has an awesome referral program. They don't really market, they don't really advertise, make commercials or things like that, but they do have a referral programs, meaning that if you buy your Tesla from my link below, then you're gonna get about 1,000 supercharged miles, and I'm gonna get about 1,000 supercharged miles. I think they even increased it recently, where you're gonna get even more. So it's a win-win situation. If you don't use the link and buy your Tesla, you're gonna get absolutely nothing. So you might as well use the link, share with your friends and family. You'll definitely be hooking me up because then I'm gonna get that 1,000 supercharged miles and you will also get it. And if you don't want the supercharged miles, you're gonna get credits. And I think right now there's a 10,000 credit. It was only 1,000 credit, but now it's 10,000, something crazy like that. So you could use that credit towards a bunch of Tesla accessories. You could use it to buy a FSD, full self-driving. You could use it to buy all kinds of cool stuff from Tesla. So link below. If you're gonna get your Tesla, buy your Tesla from the link and hook both of us up. I just got out of the gym. I'm sweaty. I need air. It's hot in Southern California. So I'm gonna test out this air vent seat cover and see how it feels when I really need it. All right, here it goes. All right, it's instantly cold. It's instantly cool. I mean, I'm using the air conditioning right now, and this definitely enhances the coolness. I mean, there is no cooling system in this air vent seat cover. It's just vent. Then this kind of enhances that cold air and just pushes it up your butt, your thigh, your back, and it feels absolutely amazing. I've never experienced anything like this. I've never even heard of any cars that had little fans built inside your seat. So when I first heard of this, I thought it was kind of crazy. I didn't think it was going to be that great, but I love it. If you live in a hot area, if you are in Arizona, Southern California, tropical Texas, then you definitely need this air vent seat cover from Tillard. I mean, there is a pros and cons to this though, because it's definitely not as comfortable as like your regular seats or a seat cover. It's a little bit more firm. I could get used to it, even though the little fans are right under your butt and your lower back. You don't feel it. I mean, I could kind of feel it. Yeah, it's not that bad. It really isn't. I mean, if you want your lower part of your body to be just totally cool and air blowing on it, then definitely get this. To be honest with you, I feel like during wintertime, I might just take this out and put my seat covers back on for the comfort, since I'm not gonna really need the air vent. But that's easy to take out, so it's not a big problem at all. But for the heat, I highly recommend it for sure. This is a winner right here. I'm gonna love this for this summer heat that we are experiencing. So I'm gonna put that discount code link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so much for your support. Please leave a comment, just say what's up, anything. I would love to say hi. And yeah, I'll see you next time.